Food enthusiasts, welcome back to Info Plus, your go-to channel for fascinating insights and knowledge. Today, we're diving into a topic that might make you think twice about your favorite foods. From fast food favorites to everyday grocery items, the manufacturing processes behind these foods can be quite eye-opening. Stick around as we uncover some surprising facts about chicken nuggets, hot dogs, processed cheese, instant noodles, and more. 1. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are a popular fast food and snack. They are convenient and crispy, but making them can be gross. Chicken nuggets are made using mechanically separated meat, which is created by pushing chicken carcass through a sieve under high pressure. This method gets all the meat but also includes unwanted parts like cartilage and skin. The meat is mixed with other things to make it taste and feel better. Then, shape the mixture into nuggets and fry or bake them after battering. Chicken nuggets can have too much salt, bad fats, and harmful extras. Factory farming in the poultry industry raises concerns about animal welfare, antibiotics usage, and environmental impact. Chicken nuggets may not be a good choice due to their questionable manufacturing process and other factors. Hot dogs. Hot dogs are popular in summer and sports, but their production process may make you feel sick. Hot dogs are made like chicken nuggets with meat that is mechanically separated. This meat can be from pork, beef, or chicken. This process grinds and blends animal parts to make a paste. Mix paste with water, starch, and additives. Add salt, spices, and preservatives. Hot dogs may have sodium nitrite, a chemical that preserves color and extends shelf life, but it's linked to a higher risk of some cancers. The hot dog mixture is put into casings made from animal intestines or synthetic materials. The casings are cooked, cooled, and packaged for sale. Hot dogs are not a good choice because they have bad meat, too much salt, and harmful additives. People may avoid hot dogs due to environmental and ethical concerns related to factory farming. 3. Cheese that is processed. People like processed cheese because it is cheap, lasts a long time, and melts well. It is also called cheese product or cheese food. The way it's made and what's in it might change your mind about having a grilled cheese sandwich. Processed cheese starts with real cheese made from dairy. Melted cheese is mixed with other ingredients to make a smooth mixture. Processed cheese often contains sodium phosphate and sodium citrate to help with texture and emulsification. Artificial colors are added to cheese for a consistent and appealing color. Cheese is mixed and pasteurized to last longer. It's then put into molds or made into slices, blocks, or other shapes. Processed cheese has less real cheese than natural cheese because of added emulsifiers, stabilizers, and artificial colors. High sodium and additives can cause health issues like high blood pressure and allergies. Processed cheese consumption should be reconsidered due to the environmental impact of dairy farming, which includes high water usage and greenhouse gas emissions. People who want a healthier and environmentally friendly option can choose natural cheese from sustainable sources or plant-based alternatives. 4. Ramen noodles. Instant noodles are cheap and fast to cook, but their production process and nutrition may not be good. To make instant noodles, mix wheat flour with water, salt, and alkaline agents to form dough. Roll out the dough, cut it into thin strips, and steam to make shelf-stable noodles. They are fried in hot oil to remove moisture and can become high in fat. Seasoning packets have a lot of salt and fake flavors like MSG. Too much salt can cause high blood pressure and other health issues. MSG can cause headaches and nausea in some people. Instant noodles are not very nutritious because they are low in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Instant noodles are not a good choice for your diet because they have low nutrients and high sodium and unhealthy fats, especially if you eat them often. Instant noodles harm the environment. Palm oil used for frying causes deforestation and harms endangered species like orangutans and tigers. Instant noodles packaging and utensils add to plastic pollution. Choose whole grain pasta, rice, or other nutritious options for better health and the environment. Canned meat. Canned meat like Spam or corned beef is easy to store, but the way it's made and the ingredients used might make you hesitant. Canned meat has low-quality meat, water, salt, and additives like sodium nitrite for flavor and preservation. Cook, cool, and can the mixture under high pressure to seal it and make it last longer. Eating processed meats, even canned ones, can raise the risk of heart disease, obesity, and some cancers. Canned meat has too much sodium and preservatives that can cause health problems. Canned meat production harms the environment and raises ethical concerns. Factory farming harms the environment by causing deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and other damage. Choosing sustainable meats or plant-based options is better for health and the environment. 6. Marshmallows. Marshmallows have gelatin in them, which might make them less appealing to some people. Gelatin is a protein from animal skin, bones, and connective tissues, usually from cows and pigs. To make gelatin, animal parts are boiled, treated with acid or alkali, and filtered to create a clear, tasteless substance. Marshmallows are made by mixing gelatin with sugar, corn syrup, water, and vanilla flavoring. Whip the mixture, pour into molds, cool, and dust with cornstarch and powdered sugar. Gelatin in marshmallows is a problem for vegetarians, vegans, and people with religious dietary restrictions. Factory farming for gelatin harms the environment and animals. Look for plant-based marshmallows without gelatin like agar-agar or carrageenan for a better choice. 7. Margarine. Margarine is a butter substitute that some people may not like due to its ingredients and how it's made. Margarine is made from vegetable oils like soybean, canola, or palm oil that are liquid at room temperature. To make a spreadable product, oils go through hydrogenation. This process adds hydrogen molecules to the oil, changing its structure and making it more saturated. Hydrogenation can create trans fats, which can cause heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Margarine makers use intraesterification to remove trans fats, but people still worry about the health effects. Margarine has additives to make it taste, look, and feel better. Some margarines have added vitamins like A and D to make them more nutritious like butter. Margarine is not good for health and its main ingredient, vegetable oil, harms the environment. Palm oil causes deforestation, habitat destruction, and greenhouse gas emissions. Use butter from grass-fed cows or plant-based spreads for a healthier and eco-friendly option. 8. Soda. Soda is a popular drink, but it may not be good for your health or the environment. Soda has carbonated water, sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup, flavors, and additives like preservatives, coloring agents, and caffeine. Soda's high sugar causes health problems like obesity, diabetes, and tooth decay. Diet soda with artificial sweeteners may increase the risk of metabolic syndrome, heart disease, and other health issues. Soda production harms the environment. Growing lots of corn for HFCS harms the environment by causing deforestation, using pesticides and fertilizers that can pollute water and harm ecosystems. Making, moving, and throwing away plastic bottles and aluminum cans causes pollution and greenhouse gases. Soda production uses a lot of water, which is a problem in areas with little water. Making 1 liter of soda needs 2 to 4 liters of water. To be healthier and more eco-friendly, people can choose water, herbal tea, or homemade fruit drinks instead of soda. 9. Farm shrimp. Shrimp farming may not be sustainable due to concerning methods used. Most shrimp farms in countries with weak environmental laws use harmful practices like overcrowding and antibiotics to fight diseases. Shrimp farms can pollute water by releasing waste and chemicals into nearby rivers and coastal areas. This harms aquatic life and local communities. Cutting down mangroves for shrimp ponds causes erosion, less biodiversity, and more greenhouse gases. Shrimp farms use fish meal made from wild fish, which harms ocean life and causes overfishing. The shrimp are treated with sodium bisulfite to preserve their color and prevent spoilage. Some people want to buy sustainable and ethical seafood due to worries about antibiotics, the environment, and shrimp farming. They may choose wild-caught shrimp or other seafood. Note that manufacturing practices may vary between brands. To make better choices, consumers can read labels, research brands, and learn about food production practices. Subscribe to Info Plus for updates and new videos. Please like and share this video with your food-loving friends. Thanks for supporting our channel.